Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pour in some water to your water tank. So first of all, make sure that you're using the specific water tank with a mop attachment right here and not just normal clean dust tank. So here's this mop with a tank, and in order to pour in some water we'll need to open it right here. Simply grab it from the side that you can see the gap and pull it towards you. So right now it's opened and we can pour in some water. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.